before that. You're right.
I miss her, man.
I know, she was
Hi.
First thing when I
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Straight up. Keep moving while you load. Straight up.
We all do, we all do.
Although we had Desiree.
Good.
Yeah.
Yeah, she was out here shooting with us last match. First time I've seen her in probably 6 years.
Yeah, she's another one.
Tight pants on.
Nice and
Tight
tight.
downrange.
And can
That one,
shoot.
there you go.
Yeah.
That one too. And there's one right here on the rig.
It's okay, she's not my class, so I don't have to worry. She seems old.
Look up to this gap.
A little too much for me.
Good. I'll come up to this gap right here. There's a double and one on the ground. Good shot. Okay, move all the way straight ahead. That gap there. That one, yeah, that one there. Move in here. Smooth trigger. Good. Knock that. High. Shooting high. Good. Okay, and there's right there. One more shot. Okay, come all the way to the corner now. High. Okay. Let me clear. Point it down range, pull the trigger, and hold still. Line's clear!